Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, confirm the projector supports Bluetooth audio or wireless display like Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast. If it only supports Bluetooth audio, you can pair for sound. For screen mirroring, use Miracast, AirPlay, or a dongle. Place both devices within 10 meters and remove interfering Wi-Fi hotspots or Bluetooth speakers to reduce dropouts. Charge or connect power and update projector firmware and your phone or laptop OS to the latest stable version before pairing to avoid compatibility issues and improve stability. Enable Bluetooth on both devices and put the projector in pairing mode from its settings menu. Some projectors label this BT audio or pairing. For Miracast, use the screen mirroring option on Windows or Android. For AirPlay, choose the projector name from the control center on iOS or Mac OS. If the projector has no native display support, plug in a Chromecast or HDMI dongle, mirror the screen to the dongle, and then pair Bluetooth for audio if needed to separate sound and picture. If pairing fails, forget the device on your phone or laptop and retry the pairing sequence, or use a wired 3.5mm cable or HDMI as a reliable fallback. To fix latency or dropouts, lower Bluetooth audio bitrate in advanced settings when available or move devices to under 5 meters and away from other electronics. If the projector lacks built-in Bluetooth support, use a USB or 3.5mm Bluetooth audio transmitter adapter. Confirm aptX or AAC support for better audio quality, and test volume levels before your presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.